Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best digital multimeters 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. UNI-T Professional Digital Multimeter. The UNI-T provides accurate true RMS voltage and current measurement for both AC and DC. This high-precision electrician tester is designed for frequency measurement, ensuring reliable performance in electrical diagnostics. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Oscilloscope Multimeter DDS Generator. This 3-in-1 tool offers a 10 MHz oscilloscope and multimeter. It supports dual channels, 50 MSA/S sampling rate, and precise AC/DC measurement, making it a versatile choice for electronics testing. Number 3. UNI-T Smart Digital Multimeter. The UNI-T series features professional true RMS digital multimeters for precise AC/DC voltage measurement. These smart tools provide comprehensive electrical testing capabilities for high-accuracy diagnostics in both residential. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. ZOYI ZT703S3 in 1 digital multimeter. The ZOYI combines a 50 MHz bandwidth, 280 ms/s sampling rate, and dual-channel oscilloscope with a digital multimeter. It also includes a signal generator and PC waveform data storage. Number 1. OWON B41T Bluetooth Digital Multimeter. This multimeter offers Bluetooth connectivity, true RMS accuracy, and 4.5 digits of precision. It supports 3-in-1 functionality, including offline recording, making it a versatile tool for electricians. Thanks for watching.